Hi, this is Tammy with the Second Times a Charm, and welcome to the video. Welcome to the Cozy Winter Furniture Flip Challenge hosted by Jay of Flipping Drawers. His channel link as well as the playlist link will be in my description. And this is my project for this challenge today, this carved accent table, which I will say right now, this table came from Target or Wayfair or one of those, Amazon, I don't know. It was only $8 on Facebook Marketplace, and it's not, just don't worry. I'm not defacing something of great value. I just wanted to point that out. So basically what I'm going to do in this video, which is going to be a super quick flip and super easy, is I'm going to take my Waverly White Wax and I'm going to just rub it into the piece like I'm doing here with my brush. I know this isn't like a regular wax brush that I use. You can really use any brush you want to apply wax. Those round brushes I think are just supposed to make it easier. But I don't have one right now, and so I'm just putting it in with this kind of angled brush that I have and wiping it back. I will also have in my description the products I use in this video, as well as the brush, which is a shortcut by Wooster. So yeah, I just go through and I just over and over again, I apply the wax, I wipe it back, and I did this in order to make this piece softer and brighter and just lighter and more airy. You know, that look is really in right now, and I just think it really transformed this piece, and it did, in my opinion, make it more cozy and just more lovely to look at in general, because I mean the carved wood was gorgeous before, but I mean look at the difference that made compared to that. I mean, that's crazy. That looks so good because that white wax, it just sits in every little nook and cranny, and like, so it just brings out the detail work way more than than it just being wood. So I think it's just a great option. And if you're thinking, you know what, this isn't very cozy, this isn't very wintry, this isn't Christmas, or whatever is your opinion of the cozy, wintry look that people should be going for in this challenge, well, I do have a confession. This is not my main project for this challenge. My main project is actually super Christmassy and very cozy, and honestly, I did not finish it in time. I ran out of time. I ran into some issues. It's my fault, and Jay of Flipping Drawers, the host, was very nice, and he said it was perfectly fine if I wanted to do 2 videos for this challenge. So this is the video that I'm doing for the day of the challenge. My main project video will be going up on my channel either Sunday or Monday when I get it finished, and it'll also be added to this furniture flip playlist. And so if you want to see that, you can come back to the playlist. You can go find it on my channel. Once that video is up, I'll also go and add that to the end of this video and add the link to my description so you can just go watch it. So if this is past that date, you'll easily be able to just go click on a link and go watch it. And I'm really excited about it. It was something that was way outside my comfort zone, and I think it turned out really cute. I mean, no, I'm not completely done with it, but what I've done so far I think has come out really cute. And I just want to go and take the time to finish it the way I want to finish it and not rush through it and not do a good job. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just let the wax dry, you let it cure before you do any heavy use, and you get this magnificent transformation out of just using wax. I mean, this literally took me maybe half an hour. It was so fast. So if you enjoyed this super fast flip, give this video a like, share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments if you have a piece of furniture that makes you feel cozy, or maybe just makes you feel good and happy. Let me know about it in the comments. And thanks for watching.